Do you ever open your electricity bill in summer and feel your heart skip a beat? 1 minute you are chilling in the living room and the next minute your wallet's gasping for air. What if I told you that there are simple tweaks जिससे आप अपने AC का बिल कम कर सकते हो और उसकी लाइफ भी बढ़ा सकते हो? आज हम कवर करने वाले हैं some smart AC hacks including some practical steps जिससे आप easily follow कर सकते हो. To lower your electricity bill, set the right temperature. By keeping your AC between 24 to 26 degrees Celsius, थोड़ा हायर सेटिंग रखने से कूलनेस और कंफर्ट में थोड़ा टाइम लग सकता है, पर इससे कंप्रेसर कम काम करेगा और बिल भी कम आएगा. Use ceiling fans with AC. Fan and AC working together offer a magical combination. फैन हवा को सर्कुलेट करवाता है और AC पे लोड थोड़ा कम हो जाता है. Seal leaks and insulate. Apply weather stripping around doors and windows as well as thick curtains to close gaps. This prevents cool air from escaping and keeps your AC from overworking. Turn off AC when not in use. Leaving the AC on in an empty room is one of the biggest power drains. Use a timer or smart plug to automatically switch the AC off whenever no one is home. Clean the filters regularly. Wash or replace your AC's air filters every 2 to 4 weeks. A clean filter maintains proper airflow and stops the compressor from having to struggle. Now, to increase your AC's durability, clean the filters every month. Dust buildup in your filters causes extra stress on the system, so cleaning them every few weeks helps your AC run with less effort. Schedule annual professional maintenance. Ask a certified technician each year to check refrigerant levels, coil condition, and electrical connections. This preventive service keeps small issues from becoming major repairs. Avoid overusing your AC. Don't run the AC continuously. Switch to energy saving or sleep modes whenever possible, and occasionally open windows for a short break to let the compressor rest for a while. Protect the outdoor unit. Keep leaves, dust and debris away from outdoor unit and place it in a shaded spot. Unrestricted airflow helps the unit exchange heat efficiently. Use a voltage stabilizer. Installing a voltage stabilizer will protect your AC's electrical components from damaging power surges or drops, preventing costly breakdowns over time. तो ये थे स्मार्ट कॉस्ट इफेक्टिव AC हैक्स जो आप इस समर सीजन में ट्राई कर सकते हो. AC पे प्रेशर बैलेंस रहेगा तो आपका बिल भी कम आएगा और मशीन चलेगा सालों साल. तो कमेंट्स में बताइए कौन सा हैक आप पहले ट्राई करने वाले हो, और वीडियो हेल्पफुल लगा तो लाइक और सब्सक्राइब करना मत भूलना फॉर मोर सच टिप्स. टिल देन, स्टे कूल, स्टे स्मार्ट. बाय बाय.